Oh, wow. So the stylist ended up doing a really chic baby mullet style here. Bit of a mixie haircut. This is so cute and right on trend with all of the styles that we are seeing this season. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. So here the stylist is doing a bob haircut. Oh, he does a nice classic bob here with the curtain bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. Now this is so simple and chic. And then we move on to transformation number 3. So she starts off with long dark hair. Ooh, hair is placed in ponytails and the stylist begins to cut. Wow, now she might be getting a buzz cut with this one. Adding in some color as well. Now this is a huge trend. We are seeing so many women shave off their hair and then dye it blonde. Oh, she went with a rose gold. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, I love this dramatic transformation. Absolutely gorgeous results. I love when I see the dramatic transformations. So cool. Next up, looks like we have someone else adding in some color. Looks like a better red here. Looks like they're doing some texture removing. Now, so far, it looks like she might be getting a baby mullet style as well. Oh, yes, this is another baby mullet, aka the mixie haircut. Now, she's got some baby bangs going here with her style, some longer sideburns. This is so cute and fun. I really like the color too. Red is another huge trend that we are seeing when it comes to hair coloring. Very pretty. So it looks like we have someone else going shorter with a bob style. Face framing layers. So she's doing more of like the layered bob haircut trend. Now this is a great way to add some shape to your hair if you want to get a traditional bob. And it comes to around shoulder length, so she does have a lot of length here. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out this last hair transformation.